G'day and welcome to Barbie Max How To. We're cooking Mediterranean style chicken Maryland in a mouth-watering white wine dipping broth using the Barbie Max Rack, the Aussie-made ultimate barbecue shelf system that maximises your cooking space, helps you keep the barbie clean, helps you control the heat, use less gas and allows you to bring inside cooking to the great outdoors. Okay, to start with, you'll need some diced garlic, sliced carrot, some sliced cherry tomatoes, some red capsicum, some butter, a cup of white wine and 2 chicken Marylands. You could use other cuts of chicken as well, but today we're featuring the Marylands. We're also going to heat up some fresh crusty bread to serve with the meal. A Barbie Max custom stainless steel tray on the grill is perfect to caramelise the garlic and the carrots in the butter on a high heat for about 5 minutes. These heavy duty trays are super durable and easy to clean up along with the grill mats in your dishwasher. While the garlic and carrots are caramelising, we're going to brown the skin of the chicken on a grill mat for about 2 minutes. Now you might notice we're missing one of the chicken Marylands. Just as well we had a spare Maryland in the fridge. After the skin is slightly brown, place the chicken pieces on top of the caramelised combo. Now it's time to add the cherry tomatoes and the red capsicum and spread them around. We're cooking indirectly by placing our Barbie Max Rack over the grill, placing the tray on the top shelf. We want the liquid to boil and make its way through the chicken, so we're leaving the bottom shelf open. Pour over the white wine and close the lid, keeping the temperature to around 200 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Move the tray to the bottom shelf and place your foil wrapped crusty bread on the top shelf for 3 to 4 minutes with the lid closed. Serve up the meal in some bowls along with the pan juices and use the bread to sop up that delicious broth. Disfruta comiendo! For more great recipes and to buy a Max Rack or other great Barbie Max accessories, get on to barbiemax.com.